Wow.
Okay, I got the video. You got it. You got it.
So I just finished doing I hope you guys can see me, but I just finished doing the axe throwing thing. That was like a mess times two because I couldn't get it. Like, you guys, I could not get the axe to stick. Like, I think I hit it like maybe a few times, and like I got excited and the girls got excited, and the guy was probably like, what the hell, like why are they excited? Like, nothing happened. Now I am off to get my nails done, and hopefully I'm gonna be late. I had too much fun and I forgot that I had a nail appointment. So I scheduled this nail appointment like 2 weeks ago, I think. Because I just need to get my nails done. I want them to look nice instead of, you know, like this. So yeah, and I totally forgot one of the girls that invited me. Well, the girl that invited me was like, it's like past 4:45. And I have a watch and I did not see the time. Hey guys, welcome back. Well, if you saw earlier, you saw that I was doing some morning routines. I'm already at work starting my day. I actually had fun this morning, and I know this sounds lame, but pretty much the gist of it is I am new to Ruby. My company does Ruby, and it's an object-oriented programming language, which is different from, let's say, JavaScript. And I mean, there's some object-oriented practices in JavaScript, but not entirely. So they have this meeting for a group of us who are interested in learning more about those practices, and it's called 99 Bottles of OP by Sandy Metz. It was really fun. It's, if you know the game or the song 99 Bottles of Beer on the Wall or Milk, whatever, pretty much if you know that song, it's pretty much for just printing those lyrics out. And it's like a great introductory into coding to, you know, print out the lyrics correctly. I think I did this a long time ago when I was learning how to code, so it's fun doing that again. And then also learning how to refactor that code into the object-oriented standard. Good morning, guys. I just did my workout. I'm exhausted today. I only worked out for 30 minutes. I feel like, I don't know what's going on. I feel very tired. Looks like I'm not in workout clothes, but I am. I just have this jacket because I get cold. But yeah, I didn't show my workouts because I went to the gym late. I like to go in the gym at least 5:30, and it's like almost 7 o'clock. So I did like 5 minutes of cardio. I did some of this Smith machine, I think it's called. I did 15, trying to do some squats, so I did 15. I don't know if I'm doing them right. That's why I don't feel myself, because I don't want to give bad advice. But and then I did some leg press. I think it's called leg presses. No, not leg presses. It's I don't know what this is, but I use this for my calves. And then I did some lunges. So it is 7:09, and I'm gonna go back and make some breakfast and shower and get ready for the day. Hey guys, so it is Friday and TGIF, right? Thank God it's Friday. Just gonna get some water, and I forgot my water bottle, so I have to go back in my room and get my water bottle. I am in my lunch break. I drinking my water. Today we'll be learning like I'm in class. Today I'm going to be focused on CoffeeScript. Me and my pair are not that familiar with CoffeeScript. I do know JavaScript, but CoffeeScript is a different language, so that will be fun. No, it's not me. I'm literally trying. I'm literally trying to make it so it's not obvious. That's why it looks. No, I already know what it is, so I don't have to guess. No, I'm just trying to help with the team, so it's not me. I think it's Josh. Green Josh, yes. My passion right now is these embroidery. I'm not sure if I'm doing the best job. I think I kind of messed up a bit. I don't know really how to fix that. But this one with the basket is pretty nice, and again, my ratchet fingers. So I want to complete this, but I just haven't done it in a few weeks, so I need to get back on it. Won't be able to send these to people because I don't think they'll be that great. But today was okay. CoffeeScript is pretty much JavaScript. And it literally says that in their slogan. It's just JavaScript, but I guess it was built so that they can use less lines. We do have like ES6 and ES7 in JavaScript, but there was an article that I was looking at as well, because I was wondering why we need a CoffeeScript when we have ES6 and ES7, which also helps to use less lines of code in JavaScript. If you guys like these videos, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment below, and yes, please subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.